This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of heating and HVAC testing equipment, biggest selection and best pricing on the internet, create a free login to see best pricing once logged in. Link in description below.
Hey guys, it is May 19th, 2018, Saturday morning. I got a call from a customer of mine. I put a couple of heat pump systems in her house, and she says one of them's not working and it's making a funny surging noise. She said she could hear it kind of like surging downstairs, so I'm on my way over there now and see what's going on with it. I try not to rush to judgment until I get there and see what's going on with it. Try to get you some shots when I get there, see what's going on. There might be a delay on it. It ain't kicking in right yet. Here's a clicking sound she's hearing. It's not shutting off. Needs a pump. It wasn't that long ago I put this pump in. Pump ain't shutting off. That's what the clicking noise is. It's nothing to do with the heat. I gotta fix that too. I don't know if I got one here with me or not. Somebody shut it off. They had the flipping thing off. That's why it's not working. Look, somebody did this stuff. That's nothing to do with me. I didn't do that. Whoever been doing this insulation shit, come down here and shut it off. Unbelievable. See if I got a pump for that thing. Yeah, somebody's put this insulation on there and it wasn't me. I don't know who did that, but look at that. Didn't even cover the bottom. I mean, talk about a hack job. We'll let it run for a little bit. She just kicked in. She was on delay. Somebody had the power off downstairs. We'll check it in a little bit. Yeah, she's heating up now. Had the power off to it. Look at this. I didn't do that. Talk about a hack job. I mean, unbelievable. Alright guys, I gotta change the batteries on the thermostat now. The batteries are saying it needs new batteries. Well, the guy had the power off for a while. Who knows how long. I don't know who the hell he had coming in and doing this, but not my problem. She's a good customer. I mean, I'm not too worried about it. We'll send her a bill. We'll send her a Saturday bill. She'll like that. Oh yeah, next level. Next level. It's all the way down. It's not shutting off. A little over a year ago I put it in. Bad switch. So we'll put it in another pump right here out of the truck. We'll swap it out. That's the noise she's talking about. I just use tape. It's easier than pull ties. I mean, it'll take no time. Might as well do it. I'm right here. make switches for these pumps, but I ain't playing around with it. I'll put a whole pump in it. I usually don't have a lot of problem with these pumps, to be honest with you. They're usually pretty robust. They usually don't give me any problems. They last a while, but anything can break. Put a new one in there, that's all. I'm gonna be crying about it. Crazy with it. I mean, that's good enough. Back Monday for this, but while I'm here, doesn't make much sense. Come back Monday, I'm right here, so I might as well just do it. I had one in the truck, so. WD-40, this thing's starting to give me some problems here. I'm gonna put some lube on there. That should take care of it. Just tape this up going up and plug it in, we'll be good to go. There you go. Just give me the old wiggle treatment. It's been on base, it's on a nice solid base, you know, so I'll move it around where I needed it. There you go.